Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a quick overview of the May Fab Bag. So this is what the the Fab Bag for May looks like, and it's called Work, Sleep, Travel and Repeat. So since vacation time is around the corner, it wants us to finish our work, travel some, sleep plenty during the vacations and then repeat that a little bit. So this is the welcome card which calls this month's Fab Bag as Beauty Trip in May Fab Bag. So let's look at how Fab Bag is going to help us spend our vacation time this year. So the first product that they have sent across is the Johara Pro Shine Nail Color. This is what it looks like. This is a bright yellowish golden color of nail paint. I'm not sure whether I apply it on my fingernails, but definitely this goes up on my toenails. And the color is called Golden Glimpse. So this is what it looks like, and the product is priced at 250 rupees, and this is a full size sample they sent across. The next product that Fab Bag has packed for us is the Soap Square Crushed Roses Bath Salt or Foot Soap. Now this is really nice. I love foot soaps, and this is definitely going to be used quite often during my summer break. I think this will last for about 2 uses or 4 perhaps if you're just doing a foot soap, but if you use it as a bath salt, I think 2 uses should suffice. This is a 70 grams pack, and this is priced at rupees 225. So this is not a full size sample, but it's a pretty generous size sample they've sent. The next product that they have enclosed is the iNature Herbals Olive Cleansing Milk. I'm not really very fond of cleansing milk because I have very oily skin, but we'll definitely try it out because it says it has 5 precious herbs and it's pH balanced, no animal fats used, can be used on all skin types. This is a full size sample they packed for us, and this is worth 225 rupees as well. Yeah, and you use it like you would use any other cleansing milk. So I'm going to use this and let you know whether I change my mind about cleansing milks altogether. So that's it. The next product that they've included is for personal use for women. These are 2 sanitary napkins they've packed for us. I have not opened them yet, but they seem to be like those very thin gel-filled sanitary napkins. So I don't know, I've not heard of this brand before, so maybe they're just launching and Fab Bag decided to share this with us. So we'll see how this goes later on. The next product that Fab Bag has packed for us is the Veet ready-to-use wax strips. I've used ready-to-use wax strips earlier. I'm not a complete fan of these, but I haven't used Veet before, so I'll definitely use this and let you know how this fares on me. This is meant for sensitive skin, and it has almond oil and vitamin E. And this is a packet of 8 wax strips and worth 99 rupees. And the final product, which was a choice product for the customers, is the Essence Silky Touch Blush. I chose this. There were a few other Essence products, eyeshadow pods and all, but I have plenty of eyeshadow, so I wasn't keen on too many eyeshadows. But I was running out of my more peach toned, skin toned blushes, so I decided to choose this. You can see this clearly, and this is the shade 40 in Natural Beauty. Essence, I think, is a German company. Yes, it is made in Germany, and I've heard a good deal about the Essence cosmetics. So this is my first, I think my first Essence makeup product that I'm using. So I haven't used this yet. So I'll wear this for one of my next videos, and perhaps you can judge for yourselves whether this suits me, whether I made a good decision choosing this or not. And this is also full size product, by the way, and this is worth 299 rupees. So if you look at it, we've actually got 4 full size products, 2 of the sanitary napkins, not a full size packet, but definitely. And this is a generous size sample. So I'm quite happy with the Fab Bag this month. I love the bag as well. So this is definitely going to be for keeps, or maybe I'll gift it to someone. I don't know yet. Total worth of the bag is, well, over nearly 1500 rupees. Nearly 1500 rupees. And I paid how much for this? I paid some 417 rupees because because I have a year-long subscription. So 417 rupees for a bag, and well, products worth almost 1500 rupees. So I think it's a good buy. If you haven't yet ordered yours, I think you should go ahead and order your bag immediately. And I'm going to wish you a very happy summers and a bye-bye from my channel for now.